Students, you are most welcome to the language class. Hope you all are enjoying the class in this new way. Today we will start our language class with chapter 11, types of sentences. In our last classes we have learned about nouns, noun gender and articles. Today we are starting our chapter 11, types of sentences. A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. That means that gives us a complete definition or a complete meaning. A sentence starts with a capital letter. Whenever we will write a sentence, it will start with a capital letter. A sentence ends with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. A sentence must have a verb. It must contain a verb. For example, see, Rani is a good singer. Rani it will start with capital letter. Is a verb and full stop will be there. Now next is, why were you absent yesterday? This was an question. So we are starting with capital letter and where is the verb, and yesterday, after yesterday we are giving the question mark. Whenever we will ask any question, we will give a question mark. What a beautiful garden it is. What, W will be in capital letter, and at last we will give the exclamation mark, and is the verb here. Next is kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences, see, statement, declarative or assertive. Three are the same. Whenever we are giving any statement that Rani is a good singer, that is a statement. That is a statement. Or we can say it a declarative sentence, or we can say it a assertive sentence. Number 2 is interrogative sentence. Number 2 is interrogative sentence. That means when we are asking questions. Number 3, it is exclamatory sentence, that when we are giving a strong feelings. When we are expressing our strong feelings, it is called exclamatory sentence. And the last is the imperative sentence. Imperative sentence we will not get in our book, but it is there, so I have added imperative sentence. It describes, it expresses us order, command, request, all these things. Now these are the kinds of sentences. Now we will learn about something, that what is statement, declarative or assertive sentence. Sentence which simply say or state something is called a declarative statement or assertive sentence or statement. For example, Ashoka was a great ruler. So it is giving a statement. It is stating a fact. Next is interrogative sentence. In sentences which ask questions is known as interrogative sentences. Example, have you finished your homework? See, it is a question. Exclamatory sentence, sentences which express strong feelings. What a beautiful baby she is. It is stating the expression that wow, what a good, how she is looking. Imperative sentence, it expresses commands, order, request, wish, invitation or direction or instructions. Example, order, go and open the door. Command, put it down. Put it down now. So if we are giving an order that go and open the door, we are giving a command that you can keep your things over there, put it down now. Advice, you must not tell a lie. Yes, this is a truth that you must not tell a lie, and the elder ones always gives this advice to the children. Request, please clean the room. Direction, open your shoes near the door. It is showing a direction that you have to open the shoes near the door only. So next is example of identify the types of noun. Now we have to identify the types of nouns. Raman wants to be a doctor. So it is a declarative or assertive sentence. We can say it a declarative sentence or an assertive sentence. Why are you crying, my dear little boy? So someone is asking to the little boy that why are you crying? It is an interrogative sentence because it is asking a question. I am sorry. Imperative sentence. That means feeling sorry. It is stating. So it is an imperative sentence. Okay, send me the nice gift. That nice gift is an expression that he is very happy with the gift. So it is an exclamatory sentence. I am very happy you with your work. This is also an exclamatory sentence. That means the boy or a girl have done a so good work that it is the teacher is explaining that she is very happy with the work. Pew is a little girl. It is an assertive or declarative sentence. And hand me your suit. That means it is an order. So it is an imperative sentence. Where are you going now? It is an asking a question. So it is an interrogative sentence. And here are some examples for worksheet 1. At last I have given the worksheet, but examples over here. Somehow the numbers have been mismatched. Number 1. Veena is a singer good. C. Rewrite the sentences in proper order and make sentences. Make complete sentence. That means the words are not arranged properly. So you have to arrange the words properly and you have to send it, make it a sentence. Veena is singer good. Veena is a good singer. Mona to play loves cricket. Mona loves to play cricket. Like this way. Number 2, question number 2, worksheet 1. That rewrite the sentences using capital letter, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark. Here the sentences are arranged properly, but you have to start the sentence with the capital letter and at last you have to give the punctuation marks properly. Bring me a glass of water. So it is a statement. It is an imperative sentence. Bring me a glass of water. It is a imperative sentence. Imperative sentence will end with full stop only. Take a step and don't move. This is an order. It is also an imperative sentence. So we are giving full stop. Have you watched the movie? So it is a question. So we have to put question mark. Do you want to go there? Do will be in capital letter D, and it is a question. So we will put a question mark at last. How exciting the trip was. It is a strong feeling. It is giving a strong feeling. So we will end with exclamation mark. How gorgeous the dress was. Same here. It is also giving a strong feeling. So we will put exclamation mark. Like this way you have to do the worksheet number 2. And worksheet number 1 is rewrite the sentences in proper order and make complete sentence. I have given it. Number 2 is also there. Number 3, identify the kinds of nouns. It is explained over there, that explained previously. Yes, this one is the answer of question number 3. So do it at home and I will give the answers on the next class. Till then, stay at home, be safe and be healthy.